21/02/2025 recap. So we have done for the completely AD infra design, which is
Yes.
multi-domain environment, which is child domain we created, tree domain we created, right? And we understood how it is connecting to creating again the new site for child domain and creating a new site for new site and subnet, and same thing subnet for tree domain, and verify that all the domains are accessible. And overall we designed that is a single forest,
Multi-domain.
multi-domain, multiple site, and multiple domain controller. Overall, how many domain controllers are there now?
5
5 domain controller. Root DC, root domain.
additional.
Root domain we have 2 DCs,
Yes.
and child domain
1
1 DC,
additional 1.
and tree domain we have 1 DCs. Overall, we have 4 DCs only, and
Okay.
in the one more DC for new
ADC.
site. No, new site, which is
ADC you added. Okay, fine. Root.
CHN.
Okay, CHN.
CHN, that is one DC called CHN DC. So overall, root domain have a 3 DCs,
Yeah.
right? And child domain 1 DC, overall 5 DCs domains are there. We understood overall in one single forest, no matter how many domains, how many sites, and each domain, how do we review our entire infrastructure, we understood. Today, what we are going to talk about, we will have one test for client machine, in root domain. This, remember, this client machine is going to build in root domain, which DC, first DC you created DC1, right? And there we will create a client machine, which is north if something is here, na? That one created. Then in a new region, another region, we need to create a one more server for another forest. Okay, these two things we wanted to understand. And once it is created, this machine is going to create as a new forest. You can give any name, which is a new forest. Earlier first machine what we created, same thing, you can build it. Now we need to talk about overall Active Directory design, which is we are going to managing for multi-forest environment. Then we'll talk about how Active Directory trust created by default, and what are the Active Directory trust can create manually. Okay, number one is there are type of trust. Active Directory trust. Number one is
Parent-child trust.
correct. Parent-child trust. Number two, parent-tree trust. Number three, shortcut trust.
Yes.
And this shortcut trust we are going to do for manually, which is child to tree. And fourth one is we are going to create a forest trust. And this is between two forests. Already we have that is in shiva.com one forest. And we are going to do that another new forest. We are going to give the new forest name now. And fifth one is realm trust. Okay, the practically we are going to do the 3 and 4th, and I'll show you that is in where you're going to see this. This is going to do this in domain.msc, which is Active Directory Domain and Trust. Okay.
And Neel sir, there is a one more trust is there, external trust. But basically, we are not using the external trust between the Windows and Linux machine.
That is comes under for forest trust. When you're creating a forest trust, you will have the external trust.
Okay.
When you're going to do that, you will have options. You wanted to build forest trust, it will ask you that you wanted to go with external trust or forest trust.
Yes, yes.
That will see the difference.
When we are creating that time, the option is appear.
Yeah, you can see that. Okay, good to go. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is that good to go?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yeah,
can
yeah.
we start that? Shiva, can you please just quickly share your screen?
Yeah.
And you can name that whatever name you wanted to provide for the forest trust. I hope Anil and Shamir, it is both the same plate. I mean, same stage which we are going to do the lab.
Yes.
Yes.
Good to go. Very good. Okay, please quickly log in it, and you need to build one more machine. Two more machines you need to build it. One machine is you can give the name called client, and that name should be, and that machine should be deployed in same region you built for the first machine.
Okay. First, I'll build it.
Yeah, quickly build it. What is the DC
Which
one?
which
Wait,
which
North
reason I need to?
America, North
Uh,
DC one.
okay.
North America, Northeast to A, right?
Yeah.
North America,
Yeah.
Northeast
DC
to.
one is there. Northeast. Oh,
Correct,
yeah.
correct. Same region.
Okay. This will be Windows.
No, client one. Just say client one. Small letter,
Okay.
not caps lock. Northeast to, right?
Yeah.
And A. Yeah, correct. So usually we supposed to build a Windows 10 or Windows 11, but in a Google Cloud we don't have that client operating system. Hence, we are taking the server itself and
Okay.
we're making as
Can I take 4 only?
yeah, that's fine. 4 GB memory. Since it's server operating system, you can take it and change it. If you click on the server, you see this. You don't see the client operating system list in this. Okay, so server, select the 2022 and persistent 50 GB. Enable HTTP and just it selected, created.
Another one client which
You can build any
zone.
region, any region. That is a new forest. You don't need to have any specific new forest. You can take it. You say NFDC1, new forest DC1, NFDC.
Okay. You want me to give name? Okay.
NFDC1,
NF
DC1,
NF
DC1.
DC1.
Yeah.
Okay. New
You,
forest DC1.
you build anywhere in the any of the region. You can take new region better.
Region
Yeah.
means can I go
Anywhere.
here?
Yeah,
US
yeah.
South.
Go ahead. Go ahead. 2 CPU, 4 GB memory.
It's already the ADC one. This area only.
Client is done. Okay, you got the 188.0.4. Perfect. Okay, you got the 188.0.2, 0.3, and 0.4. Same
Yeah,
region.
NFSDC also is
Perfect.
ready.
206. Very good. That's it, guys. This is the total. How many machines you build? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Seven.
7. Seven
Seven.
machines. This entire 7 machines, 7 server, 2 CPU, 4 GB memory, 2 into 7, 14, 4 into 728 GB memory, and 5 into 7, 350 GB hard disk. That's all.
Mm.
This is your entire AD infrastructure can build, and you can do whatever you want. Till 3 months, you can build a 2 to 3 time. Okay, 90 days time is there. You can build, you can practice it, whatever you want. Delete everything and recreate it later part once it is done for our uh, this lab point. When we started the cloud, then you can delete and recreate it.
Okay, shall I look?
Yeah, go ahead and log into the quickly. I'll be back in 2 minutes. You need to do
Sure.
one thing. Client machine login and the computer name, I mean, sorry, IP address, DNS IP address get changed and domain joined, and then
Yeah.
new forest DC, the same name of IP, same IP address you need to provide DNS. Don't give the DNS for the root DC. 10.26.2.0.2 as a DNS, and
Uh-huh.
deploy the new forest, and you give the different name. Right? For this, you don't need to create any site and all.
Fine.
Uh,
Sure.
Sir, I didn't get for client one. Do I need to take the same primary address
DNS.
as a DC? As a
D,
domain?
DNS has to provide 10.128.0.2
Okay.
because it's the same region. That server,
Same
that
region.
client machine has to be belongs to root domain.
Okay. DC1. DC1.
Yeah,
Hmm.
188.0.2.
And this one is different one, right?
Yeah, and this new forest DC1 DNS should be 10.206.0.2 only.
No,
And
no. For new forest DC, which DNS into
same machine.
10
10, no, no, no,
180.
no, no.
Same
Same
machine one. Yeah, same machine one.
10.206.0.2. This is a different DNS server
Yeah, yeah,
altogether.
correct. Yeah, correct. Okay,
Okay, get it built right quickly. I'll be back in few minutes.
fine. No problem.
कंप्यूटर तो वो तू करती तो है नहीं वैसे ही खराब हो जाएगा वो ग्लू कट देती हूँ आधा बस नीचे के लिए लो पाठ करूंगी आधा ठीक है हाँ हाँ उसमें
Yes, I'm back. Where are we now?
Yeah, I have created.
Domain joined, client one.
Yeah, client one I joined. Updated the DNS as well, DC1, and here NFDC01 different subnet one logged in, and I'm setting up.
Mention different forest, new
Yeah,
forest, no,
mention.
into the bracket, not subnet. It should be new forest.
Okay, different forest. Okay.
Okay, one exception here from Google Cloud point of view, whatever user you created, right? That
Mhm.
user should be able to log in by default in client machine. But if you
Okay.
try, okay, now where are we now? The new first DC.
I'm just doing one second.
Okay, still not deployed, right?
Yeah, deploy is done. Just I am changing these.
AD done, forest done.
No, no, not at all.
Okay, okay. Just your pre-request you're following.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah.
complete
I'm
it.
just.
Let's talk about that.
Yeah.
Some exception in Google Cloud point of view.
Right. Here I need to join which.
No, no need to join anything. You just directly
Okay.
build it. This is a new forest,
Yeah.
na?
Yeah, it's built.
It's a new forest has to be built.
Yeah, yeah. I need to log in with administrator. Log
Correct,
out
correct,
and log in.
correct,
Yeah.
correct.
Okay. And this one is I have changed and updated login from the domain ID. Okay. Administrator.
Correct.
Okay. It's joined to this one. Okay. Client. One.
Just quickly finish it for the new forest. We'll talk about this.
Okay. No need to log in for DC1 and other. Also, I need to log in, right?
As of now, not
These.
required. We'll see this. We'll connect it.
Okay. Okay. Already a Canada one. Tree domain already I do. Okay. Same one, right?
Yeah, same. AD, and DNS. Close it and go to the
Yeah.
flag place. You can go to the notification, then promote this server domain controller,
Yeah.
and now you can create a new forest. Okay. Now what is the name you want to provide?
Tell me which one I have to give.
What is the name you want to provide?
See, last time I had given for the another UK one, Samir.com.
Hmm. You
And
give this
here,
newforest.com.
here, you want me to give new forest like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. That's it.
Okay. Forest functional level, domain functional level 2026.
फोन दे
Okay.
अपना फोन देना
Yeah. Next.
Forest domain functional level 2026.
Hmm.
Well, okay, fine.
Install it. Now that exception is go to the client machine and now try to log in to the this machine. Log off you domain join, right? Log off this machine now and try to log in with the domain user. Log off. Just run and type log off. Yeah, sign out.
Okay. You want me to log in from one of the user?
Username. Yeah. Directly if you try to log in, it won't able to log in. It will not able to log in. Right? What is that? Shiva slash BLR
Sure slash I have to
uh,
use for the
BLR
IT
underscore IT underscore 001.
BLR BLR underscore
And you know the password, right?
IT, yeah, IT underscore 001.
Yeah.
It's saying account is not
Right.
authorized.
Right. So
You
this is
need
only
them.
exception
Yeah.
in
Okay.
uh, Google Cloud. What we need to do to log in this,
Mm-hmm.
you need to log in with administrator client machine.
Okay.
You need to add that all the users who want to log into this
Okay.
user,
Part of the that user. Okay.
remote desktop users.
Okay. Okay. Got it. In that account, you don't want to give any administrator, not member, right?
No, no, not required. Just go to logged in, then
You
go
want
to
to
the
just a remote,
my
right?
computer properties. Yes,
Yeah, only a remote. Yeah, fine, I'll
my
add it.
computer
Uh,
properties.
Sir, come again one thing. I went client machine and from client machine. I tried to log in from uh, BLHR011.
Mhm, mhm.
That user is showing it's like account
Correct.
is not authorized
Correct.
on
That's what I'm
remote
saying.
login. So
That's what,
where what to do?
that's what I'm saying here. You need to log into the administrator
Okay.
and you need to come back. Not here. Not here. Close this. My computer properties.
Okay.
No, close this.
Okay.
Not here.
You want me to go my computer
No,
properties?
it is there also. It is there in the groups. It is there.
Yeah, group also should be here, right?
Remote desktop users. One, two, three,
Is
four,
there,
five.
yeah. Here also
Ah,
we all. Yeah.
same one.
Okay. Then here you can add all the users.
Okay. BLR.
Underscore IT underscore 001. Check name. Click on check name. Yeah. Right. And add all the users. CHN, UK, and everything.
You want me to add HR as well?
Yes, yes, yeah, add all the users.
I need to log in the UKDC or that should it required,
No,
right?
you need to select that UK domain. Expand
No.
that.
Yeah, here this server is down, right?
And you powered on, na? Server is powered on, right?
Server is powered
Ah,
on.
that's fine, that's fine. Just you're not yet connected yet, right? Just expand the
Yeah.
shiva.com
Yeah.
and select the uk.shiva.com. It will ask you to,
Yeah.
right, add it. And one more Canada domain.
If I give entry directory, then it will take, right, automatically.
Yeah. Canada is connected. Semi.com. Yeah, it should be able
It's
to now.
trying to connect. No.
That's fine. You can leave it. If it's not, this will take some time. Okay, cancel it. Any other two other user added, right? Remove that. And then
Okay.
click apply. Okay.
You want me to log in with?
Right. Now log in
Sure.
one of the username. Now see, one of the users is going to log in or not.
Yeah, it's DLR ID 001.
Right. Now see, the changes is the exception only. We're able to log in.
Let me connect
All
this
right.
one.
Now just coming to the forest.
Yeah. Forest I need to connect, right?
Right. Log into this. It's already done. New forest. No, no, not local.
I
Domain name.
missed it.
Domain name. New forest.
Okay. Yeah, correct. Yeah.
What new Buddhism thought emerged in India in the first millennium BCE was
Who is your son? Shall I go to DSA?
.msc. DSA.msc. And what is the domain name now?
Forest.
Correct.
.com.
Expand it. And computers and domain controller.
Computers.
Domain controller. NFDC1. And again, you wanted to change this
Site.
DSI.msc. DSI.msc. You want to rename with this different location name, you can.
Site. .msc. Correct only, right? DIA. Okay.
DS site.
DSS.
Yes, site.
Same only given.
DS site, not DI.
Okay. D.
Yes, site. DS site.msc. DS site, not DI. Remove the I. Site. One more S. That's
Okay.
it.
DSS. Correct.
And expand that. Default first site.
Have to give new forest.
Yeah, you can give whatever name location you want it.
New forest you can, shall I give
Yeah,
or
give whatever,
NFTs?
whatever you.
Okay. Full name you want me to give? Okay. Fine. You want me to do submit all?
Nothing not required, just for the new forest, right? If you in this forest you need to do anything, you can do it all new site for submit everything, you can do that.
Okay.
Now, coming to the trust topic, go to the root DC.
Okay. DC1.
DC1, go to the domain.msc. Domain.msc. Root DC is root domain is trusted with both the domains. Child
You want
domain,
me you want me to go domain?
yeah, domain.msc, which is activated domain interest.
I mean, MSC. Okay.
Right. Now see here, please concentrate everyone. This is siva.com is your first domain name. Expand it
Yes.
and right click on the siva.com properties.
Mm-hmm.
Properties
Mm-hmm.
and click on the trust
Mm-hmm.
and see this Root domain is
Here,
trusted to tree root in child domain by default trust created. Clear?
okay, it means Shiva. Okay, under Shiva. Okay, Samir.com. Okay, tree root. Yes. Okay, UK as a child domain. Yes, automatically created. Yes, correct. Just
Next, when you go to the uk.shiva.com, it's trusted with only root domain.
you want me to go here?
Second,
Cancel it.
yeah, yeah, uk.shiva.com. Properties,
Yeah, I have clicked on that.
trust,
Shiva.com parent. Yes, and
is only trusted with
domain.
the shiva.com.
Yeah, only is correct.
Now go to
Parent domain.
samir.com. Properties,
Taking time.
yeah, it is not taking. Yeah, it is. I think some DNS issues. We'll fix it. Is go to the actual trust, which is samir.com domain. You need to
Okay,
fix this, configure the
can
DNS.
yeah, Canada one is Samir.com.
Hmm.
You want me to go?
Domain.msc.
Okay. Properties.
Trust is it trusted with only shiva.com, that is tree.
Shiva.com pre.
So there's a two trust needs to be manually created. One is from child to tree. Second one is forest trust, another forest. Let's focus on that first forest trust, then we'll create a shortcut trust.
Okay.
Shortcut trust between child and tree, and forest trust between new forest trust. Now that creating a new forest trust, pre-request is to first verify that is in both the IP address is connected or not.
IP means you're talking about subnet same or subnet one?
Sorry,
No, you said na IP address means same subnet you were talking
not
about.
subnet, not IP addresses.
Okay,
This
IP.
should be pinging.
It is pinging, right? Now, when it is pinging, when you're going to
Uh,
connect with it,
we need to check.
yeah, please verify that. Please verify first.
Okay. I need to ping from here.
Obviously, it is
Uh,
connected, but you just
no,
verify
no.
that.
Ping from DC1 to
To
NFDC.
correct, not from the Canada.
Okay, ping from here to.
DC1 to NFDC. Go to DC1.
Okay.
Command prompt open. Ping NFDC domain server from here.
Ping. Now, what was the IP address?
Yes. It's pinging. NFDC. New
Pinging.
forest one is pinging.
Go to the new forest and then ping the DC1 IP address. The first step.
Yeah, both communication is happening.
Second step is DNS should talk about each other.
Right.
Now, when you go to the new forest DC ncpa.cpl, it's turned to 110 the 127 dot. Now you need to configure it. ncpa.cpl in new forest DC.
Here I have configured only for
After reboot, it should get
CDC.
the 127. Now you should be able to
Okay.
change the.
Okay. Due to this, okay.
Now,
is
from the DNS point of view, we need to check it is validating both the side before you start creating a trust. Go to the DNS mgmt.msc.
MGMT
.msc.
MSC. Yeah.
And click on the forwarder.
Where I should see.
Conditional forwarders.
No, not conditional forwarder. Click on the NFDC one.
Sorry, NFDC.
Just forwarder. Forwarder.
Forwarder.
No, man. NFDC one. Click on the NFDC one. Right side, you see the forwarder. Last one. Right side. Forwarder. Right
This
side.
one.
Right side. Right side. You see the forwarders below the root hints.
Right pane. Right side. No. Down. Right side.
Yeah.
Down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You are talking about in this list. Okay.
Forwarders.
Mm-hmm.
Double click here. You need to add. Click on edit. From root DC1 IP address, which is 10.188.0.2.
10.188.0.2. Okay, this is the DC one, correct?
Just click outside OK. That's not OK. Just click outside the space, the white space. No, just click that. No. Go back to the forwarder again. Okay, now I wanted to see this is resolving. Okay, that's fine. That is connected. Click OK. Now go back to the apply OK. Go back to the DC1 and provide a forwarder again, DNS mgmt.msc forwarder. Add a root, a new forest DC IP address, DNS.
Okay.
DC1 forwarder. And what is the IP address of the new forest?
Forest IP address, this one.
10.1 something is there, no? 206.
Yeah.
And just click outside OK there, white space, double click, and that's fine. Click OK. So just wanted to connecting that is in between these two, these people are forwarding or not. Once it is done, right, you need to start creating a trust between.
Okay, shall I check in the
Go to the one of the domain.
DC? Okay, I'm there in the new forest DC.
One of the domain, domain.msc.
Okay.
Domain.msc.
Okay.
Properties.
This.
And new trust.
Okay. You want me to create new?
Yes, new trust.
Okay. Here I have to give the fully qualified name.
Correct. Now you want to trust with whom?
I want to trust with the DC1.
Shiva.com. Type the Shiva.com.
Okay.
And now you can see this
External trust.
true trust relationship between.
Yeah. This is external only, right?
Right now, it is asking you to the two type of trust.
Yeah. External and forest trust.
Correct.
Yeah. This is
Now,
external only.
no, you need to decide what you want to trust. You have the two type of trust
Okay.
between the forest. When you select the external trust, what is the meaning of that?
External means totally out of your organization entity.
Correct. The difference is even this current trust forest also is your different entity only.
Correct.
But what is the reason for you creating external trust and what is the reason for creating a forest trust? Now, the other company you acquired, like new forest company you acquired, and you have a full ownership of on that new forest, and you are the owner of that. It is just your different entity or under your owner from the shiva.com. Such kind of requirement, and you go with forest trust.
Okay. Means acquisition. Okay.
Yes. Now you have partner with other domain, other forest, but you don't have any rights and you don't have any much share on that or much ownership. But it is going to be create a trust as an external trust,
Okay.
and it is going to be login or any other access part. It will be a restricted external trust, and
Okay.
it become a
Based on
non-transitory.
they should allow. Okay.
Yes.
Mm.
But when you create forest trust, which is your under ownership,
We
or you have
have full
acquired, then
access.
you have that full access, which is sees as a forest trust is a transitive trust between two forests and that allow users in any of the domain and in one of the forest can be authenticated
Okay. Domain in the
in the
other forest.
forest trust. These authentications won't be happening in an external trust, and this authentication for happening in forest trust.
Okay. And
So
top one is there annex. Okay. External trust is a non-transitive trust between a domain and another domain outside the forest. Okay. Got it.
just for the your
Mhm.
stakeholder
Yeah.
partner, something is right.
Mhm.
Fully, you are not an owner of that. You just your part is external contractor kind of.
Mhm.
If you select the forest trust,
Mm.
again when you creating this trust, go next. Again you have the type of the way of connection with this. Okay,
Yeah,
you
we
are connected
required
with us.
for the two-way.
You want to go with the two-way. Users in this domain can be authenticated in the specified domain.
Yeah.
Re-LMR forest trust, forest and user specified domain. It is from this side is a local and a specified domain is a destination, right?
Yeah, source and
And specific
destination.
source
Okay.
and destination. Specified domain forest can be authenticated in this domain, right? You are going to do the two-way connection.
Yeah, correct.
Go next.
Yeah, one way means only incoming from
Users in
whatever
this
the
domain can be authenticated in the specified domain. That's it.
domain. Okay.
And one way outgoing specified domain can authenticate this domain.
Okay.
Arrow mark from this side to that and that side to do.
Yes.
Better to go with foresters when you're creating, better to go with two-way connection.
Two-way connections. Okay. Then here this
Now you
domain
wanted to create a trust between these two. You want to create trust to only one
both
domain or you want to go both the domain and the
both.
specified domain.
Yeah,
Yeah.
both.
Now the authentication is going to happening now. Now you need to provide the credential shiva.com administrator and password from
Okay.
shiva.com.
Enterprise one. Okay.
No, already domain is taken. Just to type the uh, username. That's all.
Okay. Administrator.
Hmm.
Okay. Shall I
Next.
do next?
Yeah. Now see the two type of authentication happen. This question would ask you interview. Okay.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
What is this here
Forest wide
authentication?
authentication.
Outgoing trust authentication level local forest. Local forest means from your current source side.
Right.
Outgoing from here, trust authentication level from local forest. Users in this for specified forest can be authenticated to use all the resources in the local forest, only those resources that you specify. What is that? When you create a forest wide authentication, Windows will automatically authenticate users from the specified forest for all resources in the local forest. This option is preferred when both the forest belongs to same organization.
Means basically selective authentication you're talking.
No, forest wide authentication I'm talking about.
Okay, forest wide.
When you select a forest wide authentication, Windows will automatically authenticate users
Will
from
not.
specified domain.
Windows will not automatically authenticate.
No, you selected forest wide. It is will. But when you selected selective authentication, it will not be.
Will not. Yes.
The difference to getting my point, forest wide authentication and selective authentication. You created a forest trust, but you are not allowing them to automatically log in. Then you have to select selective authentication.
Okay.
Getting my point, everyone? You don't want to log in automatically. You don't want to give access to automatically. Then you want to manage with selective authentication. But this authentication can be changed later as well. Depends on the requirement.
Selective authentication only.
So Windows will not automatically authenticate users from the specified forest for any resources in this local forest.
Correct,
After you finish this wizard, grant individual accounts to each domain and server that you wanted to make available to users in the specified forest. The options preferred if the forest belongs to different organization.
Okay.
They understood the difference between here?
Yeah, understood, but we need to understand in the real time.
Real time only, right? When you select.
Yeah. No, real time is this one, but how that user account it will work and what are the access it won't work. Just
you won't be able to log in.
Yeah.
So you want to select forest authentication now. So select forest authentication. You would be able to log in. Later you can change to selective authentication. You won't be able to. I'll show you later fast. Okay. Go next now.
If I can clarify, it means forest wide authentication means um, the AD will authenticate all the users from either the domain who are traveling here and there. But if you select selective authentication, then we have to manually add the users or groups which we want them to have access to the other domain.
That you can manage by group policy, or you can provide that is in this domain, added that domain to login access, log on access.
Okay.
Getting my point? By default, there is no access for selective authentication.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Go to the forest authentication.
Okay. Next.
Yeah.
And
now
here,
again specified forest.
Yeah.
You earlier you selected for local forest, second from other side, specified forest.
Okay. Local forest only always search the show.com forest. This option is
same one. The earlier one is local forest, second one is specified domain. If you see this is local forest, top heading heading little up, outgoing trust authentication level local forest,
correct.
and you selected forest wide authentication.
Okay,
second
correct.
one is outgoing trust authentication level specified domain.
Yes, correct. Yeah, understood.
Both the side.
Yeah.
Next. Now you see this. Wait. Go up. This domain is New Forest and specified domain is siva.com. Two-way communications and forest trust. The trust type is forest trust.
Yeah, correct. Two-way user in the local domain can be authenticated in this.
Now both the side is going to authenticate it now.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Now go next.
Okay, submit.com suffix. Okay.
Now again, it will tell you that is in this domain you have the another external domain or another three domains are that you wanted to be allow that. Yes, checkbox enable and go next.
Yeah, if you uncheck means it won't work.
It won't. Yeah.
Inside the all objective.
Yes, that suffix is going to tell you these are all detected. and
Yeah,
successfully
during
create.
our old days, people they used to do like this only. Many suffixes used to added.
Correct, correct. Next, and yes,
If
confirm
we
outgoing
open,
trust.
oh yes, confirm the outgoing trust. Yeah. You want to confirm the incoming trust
Yes,
as well.
both the side you can give the access.
Yes.
And you should be able to see completing the new wizard, and you have successfully completed new trust, and then finish it. Now see this, and if you go back to the DC1 domain, and you
Shall
should be
I
able to
okay
trust
and
created.
shall I go there?
Yeah, please go ahead, click OK.
Okay. Hmm. Yeah. Is there
And see this,
newforest.com forest trust? Yes.
created.
Yeah, created. And
Now,
outgoing and incoming both created. Yeah.
now client machine. Now you created, go to the dsa.msc, go
Okay.
to dsa.msc,
Hmm.
not in DC1, new FDC, new forest
Okay.
DC1,
Okay.
and create one OU, NF, new forest, OU, just say NF, caps lock,
Okay. NF.
and inside the NF, you create IT and HR, create a one or two user.
Okay, fine.
IT or HR.
You want me to create inside
One
user
user,
as well?
yes, one user. NF underscore IT underscore user 001.
Okay. NF underscore IT underscore 001. Okay.
And one more user, HR, NF underscore IT underscore 001.
You want me to create
Does
here
this
as well?
user is going to log in your client machine?
Yeah, it'll work.
Just try with that.
NF underscore HR underscore 001. Okay, done. You want me to log in on this client machine?
Right. Now, when you want to log in, what you need to do again, that users has to be added into the remote desktop users.
Okay. Hmm.
You logged in with the local user, na? I mean domain user. You
Okay,
won't be
fine,
able to
okay,
have
fine, fine.
access,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
you need
that's
to
correct.
provide the permissions.
Yeah, understood.
Remote desktop user
Okay.
and add. Now here, when you go to the location, you must be able to. Okay, you need to just log off and log in once, because just the trust has to be show outside of this domain.
It won't come?
No, here it won't be na, because it is not be there in the inside that Shiva or something, right? That's this a trust created. There's another icon should come outside the these two
Yeah.
domain.
Okay.
Cancel it.
You want me to log out?
Log off and log in back.
Okay, login with.
Login with either you can use domain, just login with administrator and give the permission, then come back. Login with administrator.
Any this show
Administrator,
domain.
administrator, yeah. Just who has access. Now go to the same remote desktop users.
Yeah. Yes.
You should be able to see this outside of the domain. One forest.
Not at it's required to reboot.
Yes, I might require reboot to get detected. Just reboot once. And also you can verify this. Since it is showing in the trust, right?
Yeah.
Go to the GPMs DC1 gpmc.msc.
Where in DC1?
DC1 gpmc.msc. From one forest to other forest, you can able to connect with the help of gpmc.ms if you know the forest name. You did not click OK, click here OK. In this, it is gcva.com. Now here, right click on forest. Just type, just check it, siva.com.
In the group policy side, you want me to say?
Yeah, forest. Yeah, right. Right click on or right click on group policy management. Right click on group policy, group management. Add forest. And what is that? Newforest.com. Type there. Forest.com. See this?
Yes.
Expand that newforest.com. See the domain. Domain top below the new domain, domains. Expand the domain, and you are connected to the two forest now. Right. Now you can go back and see this. You would be able to handle it. Client machine.
You want me to log in?
Yeah. Client machine, log in it. So we verify that forest has been already accessible.
Yeah, it's communication happening.
From new forest.
Basically, whatever users we created onto the new forest, that user, I think application happening into the show.com environment, right?
Correct. Remote desktop users.
Yes. No, still is not showing.
Not there. You logged in with which user?
Log with administrator. Show.com.
Should be able to see this.
Maybe reboot is required.
You did not reboot it, huh?
I rebooted as well, yeah. Second time.
Reboot it, right?
Yeah.
No, go to the new forest DC1, new forest
Hmm.
DC1. Go to the gpmc.msc. Right click on group policy management. Just try from this side is going to adding or not DC1. Shiva.com.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now go back to the again for this client one. Should be able to add it. Cancel it. Cancel it. Now go to my computer properties. Let's see this other way. My computer properties, system properties or folder. Yeah. Click on the folder. This PC properties. Click on the advanced feature. Scroll down. Advanced setting. Click on the remote. Last option. Remote. Tab. Last tab. Remote above.
Okay.
Yeah. Select user here. Add location. Still not. Okay. It is you showing the root domain end. Just wait for a few more seconds. It should just created. It should be get updated. And meanwhile, just create a shortcut trust. Let it. It should come automatically different icon. It's outside of this entire directory.
Yeah, it should come here.
Okay, cancel this. Let's create it quickly for a shortcut trust between two uh, tree and child domain. Then maybe it will be get. Let's give us some time for this.
Let let it be.
Okay. And
Okay.
now between the child and tree, either way you can go to that child domain, domain, go to child domain,
Okay.
UKDC, UKDC, log into the server,
Yeah.
UK/administrator.
Yeah. Yeah. Login child DC as well.
Yes,
Yeah.
Canada domain and the this the domain both.
This is CHN, not required. CHN.
CH not required, which is
Okay.
Canada DC, Canada
Yeah, Canada already logged in.
login. Okay, either way, same things.
Mhm.
Just verify this both the machines and now go to the domain.msc and just the check the DNS IP address both the side ncp.cpl.
Is updated or not? You want to see?
The one IP address 10.128.180.0.2. Same things. Go
UK.
to the Canada DC, verify that IP address.
Yeah.
Right. Now go to the one of the domain.msc.
Okay. Canada.
Now go to the where you are in Canada. Okay,
Yeah.
semi.com slash properties. Trust. Now create a new trust. Whom you want to create a trust?
Yes.
uk.shiva.com.
But when I checked here in UK, well, not there .com.
What was not there?
.com and here only UK days.
Computer name is UKDC. It should be ukdc.uk domain shiva.com.
UK .com.
Correct. ukdc.uk.shiva. Correct. Why
It was
change?
no. This dot is there or not?
Yeah.
Just
uk.shiva.com.
that only.
Cancel it. Log off this machine for a few seconds, and just you can log in again few minutes.
Let me put one more time.
Yeah.
UK dot your
Good.
.com.
Go next. Right.
Today.
From again from this domain it is two-way and both the domains specified domain
Yeah. And
and
here
give the password for
administrative.
UK domain administrator and password. And see this trust type is shortcut below.
Here. Okay, this one.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah. Between the two
Okay.
domain. Go next.
User system. Speak domain user in this.
Go domain. Go to next.
Sorry.
Yes outgoing and yes incoming both the side.
Yeah.
And other domain is going to be also created the shortcut trust.
Yes. Before the trust can function, it must also be created in the other
Ensure that
domain.
same trust is password. Yes, done.
Yes,
Finish.
other domain also.
And trust is created. Click OK. And go back in the child domain.
Okay.
UKDC.
You see here
And
also.
domain.msc.
Yeah.
You should be able to see that. Trust. Shortcut trust.
Okay.
No,
Where
not
it shows.
shiva.com. UK dot.
Okay,
It
sorry.
should be in a UK, right? Not primary.
Sorry.
Trust. See this?
Yeah, Samir.com shortcut. Okay,
And both the
Samir.com
side.
shortcut.
Now check from the client machine. We have done with all the trust, all the way trusted, child forest trust and shortcut trust. This is a
Okay, shortcut trust, it means under the Shiva.com, UK.com
and semi.
as
What's
UK.com
happening
as
now?
a
The any
shortcut.
authentication is going to happening. It's going to via Shiva.com. It's not have a
Yeah,
direct
Shiva,
connect with
yeah,
semi.com.
Shiva.com is the parent and the shortcut as a Semi.com.
Semi.com.
It is called the UK Shiva.com.
Shortcut trust. Shortcut
Yes,
trust.
shortcut trust. Okay.
Direct connection between Samir
This
and
one.
UK.
UK. Samir and Shiva.
Not Shiva. UK.shiva.com.
Yeah, UK.Shiva.com.
Child domain. Child
Yeah,
domain.
yeah, that's correct.
Shiva.com is a parent domain name.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, this is the parent and okay. And Samir is the another one. Correct.
Canada tree domain.
Yeah, Canada one. Yes, correct.
This is the design completed for the entire your multi-forest environment.
Okay.
And this is how that is inside the Active Directory. All the trust relationship and forest trust is created. And we have the multiple forest now, right? Multiple
Yeah.
forest, multiple domain, multiple sites, multiple domain controller. What else? Complete we have done for the AD design. Beyond that, do you have anything AD infrastructure? Beyond
So
that, do we have any AD infrastructure in across worldwide or any production?
we have to be
Sorry.
see, that's correct to whatever you said. Agree, but we need to be how real time it will be, how big it will be work. We need to understand for the more examples.
No, you need to, you are designing now,
Yeah.
right? You design the AD
Designing.
infrastructure. Now, when you come to the operations, right?
Yeah.
Operations means what? Now we are connecting from the new forest to the user is authenticating to the authenticating to the your uh, client computer. Client computer where it is?
Was there in the each
Client computers belongs to Shiva.com.
Shiva.com. Yeah, you are talking about a client computer. Yeah, okay,
And
Shiva.com.
the user is coming from which domain?
We do have different and, domain side.
No,
Forest
user
level,
is coming from the new forest.
new forest.
How that is authentication happening?
Already we configured for the trust between for the uh, forest to
Correct. Now we
Shiva.
select, we created for the forest wide authentication. What is
Yes,
the
correct.
definition of the forest wide authentication? The user should be able to log in automatically.
Yes, correct.
Now we need to prove that.
Yeah.
Go back to the client machine, just see this again. You would be able to see that when you go into adding a remote desktop user, that forest name is getting detected or not.
Okay. Do I need to run any command to
No need to do anything.
refresh?
No.
Okay.
It
It
should be
will
get
take
updated.
automatically.
Yeah. Now you logged in with the client machine. Okay, groups, go to the
Yeah, I
remote
logged
desktop.
in already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Click on add, select shiva.com. If it is not showing, you might need one more reboot. See
Yeah,
this.
now showing it. Yeah, it
This
should
is what we are looking expecting.
looking is correct.
Okay, click OK and type there your username. Who is that?
That is
nf
me.
dot
NF.
IT underscore 001.
Yeah. Can I log off and log in on that?
Log off this machine. You added that user, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I log in on that?
Yes, please go and log in that server. That user.
Here is there, New Forest.
Correct. New Forest, FOREST.
West slash NF underscore ID underscore 001.
001. Able to log in?
This is why authenticate.
Now tell me, computer is authenticating which domain controller and user is authenticated with domain controller.
But it is from the sure.com.
And user?
User from the New Forest.
How to check it?
How to check means command through we have to log.
Right.
Yeah.
The command is
home
for
something.
user related, you need to check set space set -L.
Okay. 1 second.
Go to the command prompt.
Set
Space L.
L caps or small?
Small, whatever it is. What are you showing here? Set -L, simple L, sir, not hyphen. Simple, hit enter.
Yeah, given simple L only. After that, nothing is coming. In PowerShell. PowerShell it
Yes,
won't come.
not PowerShell, go to the command prompt.
Yeah, here, yes,
What
correct.
do you see this?
Yeah, it's showing for the logon to NFDC1.
Correct. Now, how do you check that computer authenticated? Computer authenticated, which DC it is?
It's showing here NFDC1.
NFDC1, it is
Is the
connected
DC1.
logon server, user connected. User authenticated from New Forest DC.
Okay,
But
home. Yeah.
no, who I am is user is there, you will get it. But I wanted to check this computer.
Which, okay, this
Host name, the
computer
computer
belongs to
name,
which
which
domain?
domain control authenticated.
Yeah, this one there will be some command is there.
That is command is type here NL test.
Okay,
NL test.
NL test
Space slash
space slash
DS get DC. DS get DC. DS Director
DS
Services get DC.
DS
Get
get
DC.
DC
Get DC colon.
colon.
What is the
This
domain name
code
here?
you're calling
Shiva.com. No,
top
not
one.
colon. Just shift.
Okay.
Shift
Yeah, this one you're talking.
right.
Yeah.
And Shiva.com.
Okay.
Your domain name.
Okay. Yeah, means we need to validate with which domain. Okay, got it.
Hit enter.
Let's go. Yeah. Okay.
Who is
Here
connected now?
it's
DC1.
DC1sure.com and IP address is this one. And we were talking about the domain geo ID. This is the one. Okay. That
Now
one
that
and
your forest word authentication is created, hence the user is logged in. If you created the selective authentication, what will happen? Go back to the one of the forest NFDC.
Okay.
Okay, go to the domain.msc. Properties. Trust. Shiva.com.
Yeah, sure.com is there.
You are in this. Go to the select and go to the properties.
Okay, where in the
Both the
income?
side, both the side, both the side. Properties, outgoing and incoming. These are all shows here, outgoing, incoming both.
Yeah.
Properties. Now you see this authentication.
Yeah, authentication here.
And you selected for forest word. Now if I wanted to make select to authentication
Okay.
and make it for other side, apply OK.
Okay, sure.
What is the definition of select to authentication?
It will not authenticate.
Right, now click OK. Now log off that user.
You want me to reboot or just
Not
log off
required.
and log?
Log off, log off.
Okay. Okay. It will be. Shall I log in with same user right
Yes,
here?
yes.
Okay.
And what is the output should be?
It's won't log in. I will not log in. That is what the definition says.
Correct.
We can get some message, right?
Yes, you should get some message. What is the
Let's
message?
see.
You can see this.
Flash. Okay, what is that? NF. Okay,
NF underscore
ID
underscore 00.
underscore 001. Correct.
Might be is getting the error trust something.
Yes.
Okay. It's
Click yes.
okay. Let's see.
Okay, do one thing. Go to create, since it is a cache already started, now it's able to log in. Go to the NFDC one, create one more user.
Yeah. Because
Okay,
of
did
that
you
is
done for the DC one as well? From the DC side, forest domain.msc.
where DC one side?
That other side, other forest side. Have you done with other forest side, the selective authentication?
DC one side not.
Please do that other side, domain.msc.
Yeah. Here also.
No, Shiva.com.
Yeah.
Properties, trust, property. Select the new forest, properties, authentication.
Okay,
Change
select.
it.
Okay, the here also we required. Okay.
And log off and log in just quickly again.
Okay. No need to do any flash restart.
No, just try it. Should not be just because basically it's a cache, but recommendation create one more user and just see this. Should not be able to log in. Try with again.
Connect.
Yeah, go ahead. Log in with same user.
Okay. Yeah, correct. Yeah, this message.
What is coming here? Authentication error started.
Authentication error has occurred.
Correct?
Yeah, because of it's saying the timestamp error. But this kind of error.
Why is it getting this error? Because
we don't have like automatic login trust, right?
Correct. Authentication is, sorry, selective authentication is created. It won't be able to log in automatically.
Okay, and similar, this kind of error also we used to see in sometimes in our environment. But this is the we have. If I'll
It's
take this
basically
extended error
authentication
code,
error.
yeah.
It is an authentication error.
Okay, if we'll take this code on Google,
Hmm.
it will type, will give for related the trust between the error or
Check
what
on this.
exactly?
Check this. Type that authentication error occurred. This code. Just see what is error. You get it. With the help of this authentication error, selective authentication, I wanted to provide access to the user. I don't want to change this to forest authentication, but I need to provide access to the user, logon user. How do we give the access?
Yeah. X A 1 2 3 4 0. Yeah, what it says. An authentication is Windows error, indicate the permission issues, network problem, and software conflict.
The code is same you taken.
Yeah, same code only. See,
Yeah,
4405.
4005. Okay.
And here it's giving for the TLS, remote RDP network authentication, LA, file folder, antivirus. If people see, if they're doing a R&D,
That
it
is a
won't work
challenge
out.
for this. When we know
Situation.
the problem, basically we are most of the timing
But it
finding.
should give somewhere else this kind of error, right? Some
Yes, it
into
should. It should, because basically when you go
dig
in
more.
deeply, right,
Yeah, dig
and it
more.
should give
Okay.
that issue. Basically, you can go to Microsoft, yeah,
Yeah.
Microsoft portal. You can go and check it, and
Yeah,
you will
their
have that look.
article and
Yeah.
those people, right?
Microsoft is saying that in the remote has been enabled. That is the say of the Microsoft.
See that most of the time Microsoft portal, right? They never give the right
Let's
solution.
say this is straightforward is RDP error only.
That is, they don't know that is an actual problem is
Yeah,
for the which we selected selective authentication.
yeah. How do we need to see it's real error?
That is what we need to know the understand the design.
Yeah, that's I
If you
agree.
do, if you know do not know the design, right? If we error occur, we are keep on searching like this only,
That's true. I do
but we never
understand.
get the solution where it is problem.
Mhm.
If background, if you don't know that how the design works, where you search and how many you are going to search, you never get the actual issues.
Yeah, and they're giving lot of things, common
Huh?
FS, so those
Huh?
checker, use for doing all those things.
Correct.
But
But now
uh,
there's another requirement.
okay.
With the help of selective authentication, we are giving that, right? We wanted to really log into this server, this user, and you would need to check the logs first. Okay, this you given this only. Basically, you need to check for the
This
logs,
error logs, we need to go
event
DC1
log,
side.
DC, where this client computer also you can verify that is error log.
DC1. Okay.
First, you see this. How do you log into that user?
How do it login means?
Now,
When I
selective. You
connected, I
don't want
got
to
that
check the
error,
log.
correct? And
Selective.
whatever connection error, it will happen from the DC1 side.
Hmm.
Yeah, I have to go to event viewer and validate it, right?
Just say see that. In one client computer also you can go and check the event log.
Yeah.
If it is authenticated, it would be getting this error. Search with error log. Filter.
Yeah, you want me to
Cell. Filter critical or error.
critical?
Error. Yeah.
Okay.
Any relevant it is?
12, 21.
No, you don't see there's anything log here.
Service.
You should be able to see that. Expand the applications and service log. Left side. You won't get, see, this is related all for operating system related, not for the AD related. Expand down, 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 down. Application and yeah, service, expand it. You should be see the directory services.
Directory.
First, third one, yeah.
Okay.
Just find it. Somewhere you
Knowledge
see
KCC.
information.
Yeah, knowledge consistence KCC. This one is 12, 520. Okay, this one only. Warning.
The same timing, right? The
Yeah.
local domain could not
Yeah,
connect
yeah.
with the following domain controller directory partition to resolve that distinguishing name, but it is not getting you full information.
Yeah,
You
it's
won't get
saying
anything.
semi.com here.
It is different one. It is not semi.com, na?
Yeah, correct.
It should
It's
be
the
different
first one.
This is also not that. You are trying to connecting for NF domain. Just try with error log, find error log.
It's also semi only.
Just try with the error log.
Error critical.
Not that's it. Critical and error, that's it.
No, I believe.
Don't say that. There is no log generated at all because it's not at all authenticated. So it should check that is in a client machine itself.
Okay.
Go to the client machine.
Client machine,
verify
I need to
that.
log in with the different ID. Show.com.
Yes,
Right.
login. That maybe previous error should be get generated. Somewhere it will be have a log generated.
Should be generated on the DC side as well, right? It won't?
No.
Okay.
Again, same, check the application to service log.
Okay, then.
And you might be check once again security log as well. Because it's log on and should be in a security log. Just check the security log. Don't see the system log. You will be always getting for operating system or any hardware related error. You won't get this kind of error here. Right?
Yeah, this one
you
is
should just go
different.
to security.
Login things, security.
Right. You should be able to see somewhere here error log. You don't see that. Just you see the failed log might be. You would get it.
Yeah, 58.
Some previous log on.
One special log on, yeah.
Go to the DC one, or you just you try to with the authentication, right? Check that NFDC as well as DC1 log. Find there in a security log.
Yeah, DC1, I'm there in DC1 now.
Go to security log.
Security log.
Because if it's already authenticated, it would generate that error. If it's not authenticated, it won't be.
Okay. It's
4625 something 4624. Now see this.
Validation.
It was successful 4624 log.
Okay, and the special logon. Shiva DC. Okay. Yeah, only these only I can see.
Go to the New Forest DC.
Okay.
Go to the event log. Basically, it should give a error like user not allowed to authenticate or something, because since it's a Google cloud machine, right? The error non-relevant and troubleshooting is difficult. But if in normally productions you try to this kind of error, no, it should tell you that is user not allowed to authenticate or something. It will relate it to for
Yeah,
your
yeah, related
authentication.
for that name, right?
Authenticated.
Yeah, authenticated that name means which ID, user ID I used, right?
Yes, that's it should give the real, actual
Mm.
message why it is giving that not allowed
Yeah,
to
yeah, that's
authenticate.
correct. Yeah, this one error, I believe. Service access. Not showing anything else here also. Let me 558. Okay. Special logon. This one is logon process curves
I don't
successfully.
think so. It is log generated. Okay.
Yeah,
So
it did not. You want me to try one more time? Oh,
what one more time? Yeah. No, you won't be able to get it. That
yeah,
log.
it
It is
won't work, right? What should I do now?
no. Just we need to understand that how do you provide the login access? I wanted to really log in with the help. Now you logged in which user?
I logged in with the show.com user.
Okay. Now I wanted to log in with a different forest user with the help of selective authentication only.
Okay. As per definition, it shows, right? Not automatically,
No,
it
we
won't
need to
work.
provide the access.
Okay, need to
As per the
provide the
trust,
access. Yeah.
we created selective authentication, but the user was not able to log in. But
Mhm.
still, I wanted to provide access. How do you provide access?
Via group policy, we need to do anything
Yeah,
else.
two-way thing. So group policy, you can use it configured for security settings. You
Yes.
need to allow login locally.
Okay.
And another
Then
way to, you can add a permission where you can go to the DSA dot. Let's see this that options is there or not. DSA dot MSC,
where?
which is NFDC1.
Okay.
Okay, NFDC1. Go to the DSA dot MSC.
Okay. DSA.msa.
DSA dot not. Now you need to enable the advanced feature.
Okay. Mhm.
Now what is the server here? You should be able to see this advanced feature.
Yeah.
Computer enable,
Advanced
right?
switch.
Yeah.
And
You should be able
that
to see the computer object.
no,
Somewhere you can
computer object, it won't come right here.
don't see anything right here.
Yeah,
So
because
what is the
nothing.
computer you are going to log in here?
That is the client one.
Not
Client.
go back to the DC1. Go back to the DC1. Go to the DSA.MSC. And enable the advanced feature.
Okay.
Advanced feature.
Yeah.
And then go to the computer object.
Here I have this client
Client
one.
one. Yeah. Properties. Security tab.
Okay. Security elapse.
Go up. Yeah. After delegation above.
Next to object.
Yeah. Left after the object.
Oh yeah, security is here object.
Right. Now what you need to do here, authenticated, just see this.
Authenticated user
You
is
need
there.
to click on add.
Okay.
You should select this is newforest.com. Which
Okay,
user you
here
want to log in?
I need to add for this user.
NF
Yeah,
NF
AFS.
dot
Okay. NF underscore ID underscore
001.
001.
Now check name. Now say allow authentication. Wait, below. Click OK. Click OK. And
After
then
that, I need to
mention,
log in here.
select that. You should checkbox enable below. Allow authenticate.
So where is this one? Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Then see, click OK.
Yeah. Apply okay.
And this is a production, infra design. Instead of creating a forest trust, you would be able to create this way. And maybe you can plan this. You do the manually work for the single computer. Now you wanted to make the multiple computers
That time
to
group policy we need
group
to do.
policy, and you can add a those
Security
computers.
group.
You should be add a group, and you can provide that group access.
Security groups need to create. Under that, all computer object need to be added.
Yes.
That's correct.
Yes.
Okay. Shall I log off and log in?
Log off and log in. Just see this can be able to access or not.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry.
Type the forest name, domain name.
Yes. Okay. NF underscore ID
Underscore 00.
001.
Password.
Sorry. Yes.
Understood.
Yeah.
In productions, there won't be a forest wide test authentication. It would be selected authentication. We need to provide this kind of secure access. If you create a forest wide authentication and it is
The
not a
problem only.
security
Breach.
point of view, it will be not acceptable. It's a compliance point.
Yeah. It's they could be breached only, basically, as you said. Whenever they need it and who are logging in, that user should be validate
Yes.
from
The
here.
permissions, that permission are the authorized persons only. We need to allow like this.
Yes, correct. Yeah, agree. Then only it will be good to practice for the security side.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay. Now after login, I can see now, right? This user here.
Now you should be able to. Obviously, it's authentication, is everything.
It's maybe that the user full access not there, right? Only remote access is there.
No,
Some
not
people.
from here. You should be able to log in from the domain controller. Again, that's audit log has to be enabled later part to this kind of log you wanted to check.
Mhm.
You need to enable the audit log.
Okay. In
Client
DC
system,
side,
you won't be able because he's domain user now. You won't be
yeah,
able to
yeah.
access.
In DC side anyway, I can see, right?
Yes, you
DC.
can see that is PDC. You should be enabling that audit log first. By default, you would be able to see this. This user is successfully logged in, where it is NFDC1, NFDC authenticated. Who is that user and what is the domain name and which computer it is logged in? You would be able to see those.
Yeah, it's log on. Should see right here.
Yeah. Just go to the NFDC one.
Any event ID is there for
NFDC.
that?
Yeah, it should be 4624 something login.
4624
24.
only is there.
Is there?
Yeah, this one is the logon, but
Go to the NFDC one. NFDC one.
okay. You're also not showing 616, 6 Karabaros to get to this one. Okay. Oh, yeah.
You should be able to see there
Yeah, it's
46.
coming for different user ID 4769. Okay, it
469.
is
Correct.
authentication. Okay,
4769. Correct.
because of his working for Kerberos authentication, right?
Correct.
DGT
Correct.
all process
Correct.
correct.
Correct. 4768, 4769.
Yeah. Okay, and it will come for here DC one side. Here also should come right in the DC one.
NFDC one, it is from user, right? User is going to show you the computer related. You would be able to authenticate. That should be the DC one should be showing as computer related. NFDC
Okay,
one, it should show that user related.
user related. Okay, but in this DC one also should show right whichever you user log into in the
No,
his no.
user is not this domain, na?
Correct. Yeah, user is from the NFDC. Correct.
Correct. That should show that NFDC logs, and DC
Okay.
one should show that computer.
Computer. Yeah.
That
But
computer must be somewhere you need to be see the log.
yeah, computer means that also same thing, right?
Yeah.
Special anything.
Same
Email.
there only again. It should be
Computer. Yeah, it's
Windows
came.
login security. Do you see this?
This one, I believe.
The user should not be client one. Account name is client. Computer name is.
No, it's
And the
not.
date, what time it is the user was
Yeah,
successfully
this
should
one
be able
only
to.
6 12, right? Here also you see
Ha,
6
correct,
somewhere 12 and 13 some period only.
correct,
Yeah,
correct.
but here it's showing for
12,
different
30,
one.
614, 614
This
should
one
tell,
is
right?
saying different one. A computer account was changed.
Down, just come down. You should be able to see somewhere that related client one. Computer name is client one. Domain name is Siva, right?
Sure.
And also you can see there in the log in a domain, right? When you logged into the command prompt,
Yeah, I have logged in and I tried here in 614 only. Let's try one more. Okay, login 614. Okay.
this should be also same as 4769 only for the client computer. Also it is the log name log event log ID is a 4679 or 4625.
Oh, that one is not showing here. 469 anything. It not tolerable.
4625 should be able to see
This
that.
is the 474 is different. This is the one. But this is different.
Or
Special one, anything else. 13, 14 only
you
here.
would get somewhere you should get it. Just check the right time and date and it should be
Yeah,
able to
time
see.
only. Yeah. Here you see, time is okay. Kerberos authentication happened
It
in
should
the
be 1221
614.
614.
Okay, na?
1221 614 36. Yeah.
Yeah, and here also when I checking same time only.
1214 614.
614.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Should be able
14
to see
also.
this
Yeah,
special login.
yeah, special
Just
login
see.
also I checked it. Only
It's
show.com is there.
authenticated. Sure.
Show.com. Log on, also I checked it. Secure ID SS100. And this also is there. Show.com only. ADC. And this one is computer. This one only different one is generated here. Administrator. Before that I logged in with administrator. After that 14 show.com. This is the last.
It's successful logged in. That should be able to show somewhere this computer authenticated. That log should be generated somewhere. How you that user was showing that is computer related, it must show that.
Yeah, it's not showing computer.
That one entry should be there, otherwise it will not be have any uh, hint or any evidence for to that is computer login.
Uh, yeah, here this one is system ID and NT authentication user
Somewhere the
ID.
relevant one logs it, but we might not be able to get that. We'll see this. Okay.
Okay. Anyway, we got it here, but
Yeah.
we'll see like next time.
But we
And this,
understood basically because most of the people don't know that this question would ask you.
okay.
Okay. So I have the selective authentication and how we wanted to provide access to that specifically. And basically this is actual organization's uh, method to follow that.
Yes, and it's basically whenever we are doing for whenever we are authentication level, forest wired authentication, when we choosing, it will take automatically
Correct.
authentication
You no need to have any
without any
additional.
interact. Yes,
Yes.
correct.
Yes.
And
Yes.
yeah, user side. But this is not the security perspective.
Correct.
And the selective authentication is the best practice for the security
Yes.
perspective. We have
Yes.
to choose for the selective authentication between the trust
Correct.
forest lab. Okay. Yeah, it will be fit in our mind now.
Now this is overall Active Directory design and infrastructure implemented, completed.
Okay.
We created multi-forest, multi-domain, multi-site, multi-domain controller, one client. We tested all aspect. And you have tested for UKDC user can log in that computer. Canada DC can able to log into that computer directly. You don't need to have any additional authentications to be created or configured. Within the forest, between the domain, any user can log in any of the computer by default, which is the trust has been created by default.
Yeah.
With the help of this platform, this design, then we'll talk about operations activity.
Yeah.
Right? Those operations are, we'll talk about, there are major operations called FSMO role, one part. We need to understand deeply FSMO, how it works. Then you talk about group policies.
Mhm.
Okay. And we'll talk about how the Active Directory database is designed per domain. Those topic we'll talk about next class.
Mhm.
And do not delete it until our next another 4 or 5 classes for Active Directory. This infrastructure we designed.
Okay. And this on the labs also we can talk, right?
Yeah, we'll talk about local administrator password solution. We
Yeah.
will
And
discuss.
earlier functional means what you call forest level 2006 below, we are not able to see this
Correct. You
one.
don't see this. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
correct.
Good to
And
go.
Neil, how to check how much is the remaining balance amount in Google Cloud
You can go
in
to
live?
the, just go to the Shiva,
I'll show
Google
you
Cloud.
here.
Yeah, Google Cloud.
Will it detected from our credit card? No, right? This is zero only, na?
No, that whatever the promo value give, na, that is it is going to detect it, and it would be able to show that how many days and what is the uh, so far you resource utilized. What would be the you can go to the billing.
Billing.
Do not turn on the long time machines because since you have already utilized more resources, right? And
Yeah,
it might
there
get
is.
search bar, type the search bar in billing. Yeah,
Okay. Billing account or billing?
just type billing. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, and outside also home page also we can see.
Now see here 1.03K. Okay. So
Cost saved cost
scroll
and
down
zero cost only.
to avoid losing the scroll down. Should be
Yeah.
able to last 7 when it was created, right? It is, you
Yeah,
see,
total.
it is coming
This is current
completely.
month only. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
it is.
Just every month is going to charge it. Just click on the left side somewhere invoices.
Invoices where it is.
View detail left side.
View details, price, invoice. Okay.
Invoices. Click on that.
Nothing is there.
Go to the top of in which is pricing, cost optimization. Yeah, pricing. There only.
Yeah.
Come down, down,
Pri-
down. Yeah,
Price.
pricing. Mhm.
Okay. Yeah.
We all SKUs. Scroll down.
Use.
You should be
Okay.
able to see right side. If you see this, all the cost has been already applied. You see here.
Yeah.
You see,
Here we can see.
correct. But overall, you should be able to see the cost, how much it is been charged. Okay, and scroll down. Just go to the total promo value. What is the actual value? It is there. Promo value. Where you can see. Click on overview.
Yeah.
Overview. What would be the promo value now? Right side. Can you just click that above payment overview or something, or manage billing account? The above payment overview.
One more option is there, no billing account. Should come under that. Both are same
Just
cost type.
click on that payment overview. Yeah, here there.
I
Right.
think it will come after month.
Yeah, it is. You have already 1 month is over, or still it is in the same month.
Not at
Not it. There are issue with payment account. That's fine. Scroll down. You would be able to see that how many days at least it is remaining.
where it payment overview only I can see.
Google Cloud, one user manage setting. Left side you can just see transaction invoices, payment method, payment setting. Click on payment setting and credits. Click on the just credits left side. Wait. Let's process this payment setting. It's done. Okay. Click on the credits left side. Yeah. Here it is.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Free
Now
trial
you see
96%.
this remaining value is 25,763 and the original value was 26,781. Already 1,000 rupees directed.
Yeah.
Siva,
Yeah, tell me.
yeah, please copy that book and send me that link directly. I will keep checking
Now go to
because
the
uh,
Shamir, go to the billing and select the credits. Simple. You go
You
to the
can do
billing.
there your side also.
If you
Go to
go
the
to there, it
billing and credit.
credits. There only you can able to see this.
Share your screen and we'll see right away.
Already 1,000 rupees deducted. You see the start date and end date would be March 18, 2026.
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's December 7. You have
But
registered.
within the period, within 2 months, if we'll keep turn on much work, then our credit value it will be completed. Later it won't work, right? That
Correct.
is the
Correct.
yeah.
Correct.
But we have to be utilize cautious.
Yeah, that's what I said. The turn of the
Mm.
machines quickly once you done the lab.
Mhm.
Turn of the machine, everything. Since it is December 7, and within that, almost we started 10 days, right? 10 days, you have 1,000 rupees is deducted.
Yeah.
So compute engine, turn off, select all machine, turn off the machine. Go to the billing part, Shamir, and select the credits.
No need to do turn off here one by one, right?
No, there only. Directly go to the Google Cloud.
No, here it will be nothing will happen, na? This
Mm,
one.
No, that's fine. Let's close it, everything.
Yeah.
Go to the Google Cloud.
Yeah. Okay, I'll close it.
Hmm.
Share your screen. We'll see, man.
yeah, I got
You
it.
are getting confused.
I got it.
Neil sir, same is just creating the Google Cloud, but some graph is changed. I will share my screen.
Good. Guys, possible then we can connect tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Okay. Not day after tomorrow. No, not only tomorrow, Monday.
Sir, you are able to see my screen, right?
I can see your screen. What is that issue?
The graph has a change.
What is graph?
Is there activation icon is there, but it is not showing.
But you are not given the credit card information. Click on the make a payment. Your free trial is pending. We need to still processing for this.
Okay.
Can do.
Is it already given the?
Yeah,
Okay,
already
okay, okay. What is that issue is your free trial repayment. You are already made a payment. It should be credited to your account within 20. You have given the right address proof and everything, your name and who the credit card is using.
I'm just using my one of the elder brother credit card.
That's a problem.
Oh,
Problem is the verification is not validate.
Your account,
Okay.
right? Google account.
Whatever username and email ID and your credit card account, it is not matching. That they will put into the hold state.
then what should I do?
Here he has to change the some name and other things, na sir?
No, that still they will get the verification. That's what they put into this way. Wait for few, then you can justify that later part to as a study purpose and something you request, they will approve it later.
Okay, okay, okay. That's fine.
Okay, wait for few. When did you register today, right?
Yeah, today.
Wait for 24 hours. You will be get activated this.
Okay, okay, that's fine.
All right, good to go.